In this video, I will explain you how to fix if your Shopee account is banned or limited. First of all, you need to open your browser and go to the Shopee website. Then you will see this question mark in the top right corner. You need to click on this and you will go to the help center. In the search, you need to write appeal and click the search button. From this list, you need to select why is my account being limited. You need to click on this and here will be all of the reasons why your account is being limited, guys. So you can read about these reasons and when you scroll all the way down you will see this right here, filing for an appeal to reactivate your account. So in this case you need to write an appeal and there's a good chance that they will unban you and reactivate your account. So you need to go to the Me tab, then you need to click chat with Shopee. After that, type appeal for an account and select appeal account suspension. So we will directly contact to the Shopee. They might ask you about some documents and you need to provide them. So this will help you to get unbanned on Shopee. Here in this video you can see how this process looks like. So you need to click on Me tab in bottom right, then select chat with Shopee. You need to type appeal, send this message, and the last step you need to select appeal account suspension. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.